Yo, for any adophanum. Mima obibia akwaba edi about too much GHS so ebre as to say Ghana wahala jumedie enen so yede ebesumo. Hey, and then some about talk no so eso weni ensese ye ka edi echowo. Also for penya tete waji no home na wo kuro yimu o my Ghana you men kankane yen kan ni kumase de se waji no home na ewo wo yi ankasa na enchire mu na hwehwe mu baba beto edwama ye hunu ekwan a wo faso edinya ne sika na emu eye rem papa kame hu na yimbonra ensem no emu Reverend Obofo Royal Source of Riches lead ai yen papa so for penny a eye woda APC asore no ano no na enedei ne ho akoka enchiremu ababeto edwa ekwan a wono wo faso edi enya ni sika semamu nim se papa yi wono o start ye no do se an ye friend na fanteman bofo eno mu ma ye asante him ehene efre no etunsa fre no ma ne bebe cheche ni omemu eka chense se edi no wonyi enfefri ni so enu mu chese papa yi sori a de wan se na wo checkers anti bi munya bi Christian na wuni mu a chebru wa mu chese wo checkers the man na sori manom ne wo mo keka ho eye adoye bebre edema wo mo just the na wo ye na Ghana for dwen ho a wo mo ente asema chi cramp no brother Samuel cramp nya ne chefa edi ewo mu ebi na no na Ghana for si da bi so fu yi cramp no ekwan be no for so nya ne sika mo amu nim se Reverend Obofo ba abonten edi bebetu edase wo no ne nsore ma cramp no edo bu ne so ama ono kwa na eye collection offering ayeto no wa sorry no enya de se wojibie enti eba ne san ena obi a wonje offering na utimi nya sika we ede ye ado na chese wo fa kwoti kwan so bi ede ebu nkrofo ne ji wo mo ho esika ema ebeye he Ghana for kasa ede fa ho na enumu no ena brasame ba abonti no se hwe ya papa no no enya de se wo oju obi esika na sorry ni sika na odi ye nuhu ye na wo no wo oil company or companies be 15 ye said ye such water ebi won suo ebi wo nnuane ho ayi no wo no so na oye Obofo no so wo ye oil company wo such water bia wo ye ho adwuma drinks factory bi so o mo so e produce ye drinks ede eba and so many companies be na no na chese wanti mi ansipi ankase bia adwuma na yi Reverend Obofo wo no ni din eya asumasi anase wo benti wantimi amfe edin ni bia ama metu edwana no na chese Reverend Obofo no ankasa na no muto wo ba abonten wo kasa kire mu se wo no onyusu nsore masika enkrofo kasa ya no wo de nsore masika na eye ne hu yie na nso so enye ne sa ekwan eso na wo no de wo baabi a wo hwesum enya ne sika edi efri owo baby onya ne sika edi yeden efri a enye nsore ma eho no na wonko kama yehu baby onya ne sika efri abusuafo ne roll source of money say onu na beifo enku richest cream a beifo enku na wono ton wa sore dem ho eno a day kran what ton awie no obetimi ade actor 20 cars na Ghana for say wosi wonje won sore masika enye won sore masika na ade yohu ye na abefunku no nwan mponche nkokọ na bebeto enye sore mana na eto enti sa wo kasa no wonje wo mo offering wonje wo mo collection ne ho nko ne ba no na wa na wonya wosika ade ye yi no na sa abefunku na wo so wo ton anu ebetimi ato that 20 cars a day no na sa sika no oju free wan ho nkokọ emponche enua anase motia enframa ehwo amu na age ses kan form enye nsore mana na ensore mana wo mo to sa enku no ni nyina no wo bu se bebe omunyo musika edi efri wo na wo se san wo ba sa wo bua wo nsore ma enso so wo se abefo nku wo to a wo just kan di free wo mo no na chete eye kwati kwan buka tanyo mebi no hafa so wa dan ade no nti offering na wonje ene afode a wonya yi wo asore wo no nyina no ni nyina eye se wo di se sika ni nyina de ewura sa abefo nku ni na wo de na Ghana for se metwa mo wa na aden Say wotimi fa ekwan we so etimi di eya nsorema ewu wotimi fa kwan we so di bone ewo ohai Ghana ase say ne sen hunti e na wotimi so fumu a wotimi kokoton abefonku ewo won so na won so nko na ebeye ya wo mo anu nti no watimi agada carry etimi di sa boni we abra wo kra wo na wo say wo ya adwuma wa bi nsuo company wa bi drinks company wo oni mpenifo bebre atutu akwan enso ebie ni wonu ma watimi di evidence watimi di proof bia aba empo nkabo company ba kumpodi na Ghana fo nka yetimi hu say ampa de o kan ye de eye no kure enso so ebie ni wa wo ye sa tobe no jai kan na chese wa fokoti kwan so e na wo di wu nsore mano esika all those offering ne ya wunji nyina wo di nyina ebra be fonkunum e na wo di ye no mo meso pana na adan na enom ama ye nia Robert e de wo de eba ye osem. You said you have about 14 companies. Where are the companies? Just mention one. Asante Edo the boss Sakawa money empowers from Kwakupun Sam or no so Edia Enonum Agidiba Edia what the Eba was saying. The day I visited his church in Kumasi, a certain old man also came there. This man make offering of sacrifices 500 Ghana cedis. During counseling, Obofo asked him to pay 2,000 Ghana cedis before he could help him in any way. They could not afford the money. We all left. We all boarded the same car, and so we are sharing our experience with the encounter with Obofo during the counseling. He should tell the world the hard truth, how he is making his money. Also for Bosumbeni, very, very wicked. Hey, to be frank, these people are taking money from people through counseling. God bless you, Papa, for bringing out this truth. Bring more so that people will know how these people get their money. One also so their wording buy and also share. And go for wemu. Woman you offer money is open so go woman. Counseling fee. Yet 2,000 Ghana cedis. Was so be Philippe Mpoa eba for their 500 Ghana. Yes ko hu so fun punone na kasa 2,000 Ghana cedis. Wenya ye sign ema ni kofie enti ye pass ye dey we nyina eto abonti se the Ghana fom ye be bie woman no so hunu dia so fofo binom all those offering na one day to be for so ye nyame ni papa na so kwa e na wo be hu die etuamu kwasi e dia wo de eba ye wo say. So what does the witches cream do? Deceiving members because they don't read the Bible. What say enti abefon kwa edi apane musi ya na mother dan sore ma all because say one ankasa no nyansa di nyansa no munya bi to ede to no munya bi infant na sin sua Bible no mahunu de nyame asem no ka ye nua Osei Francis Edward de eba ye osem. You are saying you don't depend on the church money. At the same time, you are selling witches cream to the same church members. Which is which? Only the black man knows is a car, nothing else. Nonsense. And also so ADM and on John Oklo Edio or they ever was saying witches cream. Whilst you yourself you are a wizard. How can you sell witches cream? I am Prophet John Okolo Mensa. Can't face me on so Edia or the buyer no say will be a wool ton abefo now we refuse so we have a bonsanada. One waka also the Prophet John Okolo Mensa or pioneer a reverend for baby or wobiano, Shiano, and then to channel Honabo say to me be a chain to me a b Yenia asempa asan Edia or de buyer or same. He should tell us the truth. Which company does he own? If it is true, can he even mention one? It's not after founding this church that he started buying those cars. The Minister of Foreign Affairs should come clean. Did Obofo accompany him? Did Obofo accompany him on one of his trips? Was it government-sponsored trip or private? Ghana wants to know. Was it? Both forcing and one minister be a 2 coin a business trip or more coin. Minister Colomba Bonting. Woman Kasana Ghana for a say a private trip. And as a government and a sponsor, yes, a one more emfa encore. And yes, a pan dear, not just a wobofono, one no. The warrior, no maybe a word as soon as no first Ghana for your way and him, a course, and another day there were they ever by your same. I want to be like you. Reverend Obofo, please, I need your help. And also so Eddie and go for kasa Eddie for say kwanya papa yi fa so enye enam say sikana wonya no wo fa kwati kwa wo bu nkrofo kata so no obi so ba abonte so ono de ohia ne mu a ono so Eddie no salifu berema Eddie awode ebe say his source of money is from that all court riches cream. I want so Eddie no say ampa said the more can no cry no sika na wonya ni nyina no enye baby asa abefo nku no okoto nku na ye diama no eho e na wonya sa de ni fi na wo mo de selebe wo mo bleach ni nyina eka ho ebi abusuafo we ene ensama ena susumu ni aba ekwe sika pa ene mede ebesom ekwan a eye reverend obofo ofosu edinya ni sika eno ene ne yede bremo no wadwenkyere wo ho ene se bebre ese eye no kra ebinom so se wo so wo companies a edi se sika ne brand dia ene won bra abonten se enye de ye ka ne dia ene won bra abonten so wadwenkyere se ugidi se eye okotumu ene wode ne ho awura anase ni juma wo de se companies ne oil companies a wo no eno na de se sika no abra no obetimi de wadwenkyere aba too much GA subscribe share from obusuafo all the social media platform na emrepem no ye bekenkan ede amamodo so na ye besane hia